The Belt Disc Sander is a great machine for sanding wood products. Make sure you wear your safety glasses when running this machine. Before you turn on the Belt Disc Sander, always turn on the exhaust system in the room because the sander does produce a lot of dust. First, you want to loosen the knob on the left-hand side of the machine and lower the clear plexiglass shield so that it sits just atop of the wood that you'd like to sand. This will prevent you from getting your fingers up against the belt. Your fingers should never get closer than 1 inch to the belt or the disc. Turn the machine on and let it come up to full speed before you press the work up against the belt. Sand gently and carefully, only putting enough pressure on the board to sand what you need. You don't want to slow the machine down by putting too much pressure on the board. Keep the board moving as well, otherwise you can burn the board if it sits in one spot for too long. You can round the corners of your wall sign. You can also sand the long side of the wall sign by taking it to the disc. You can use the full side of the disc, run the board along the edge of the disc sander. You do need to remember that it is turning in a counterclockwise direction. Therefore, we always want to sand the end of the board on the left-hand side or the downward side of the disc. Putting the board on the right-hand side will just cause it to lift up. You want to sand to the line that you've drawn, and then you know you haven't sanded too far. Nice job.